To fix the exclamation mark on your Android Wi-Fi, there are several potential solutions. The issue may be caused by a temporary glitch, internet problems, or incorrect network settings. If a temporary glitch is the cause, it can often be resolved by simply turning the Wi-Fi off and then back on again through the Settings app. Another possible solution is to restart the router, as network problems caused by the router can also result in the exclamation mark. To do this, switch off the router or unplug it from the power source. Wait a few seconds, and then switch it back on to see if the issue has been resolved. If these steps do not work, resetting the network settings may be necessary. This can be done by opening the Settings app, clicking on System, selecting the Reset option, and then choosing to reset the Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth settings. Confirming this selection should resolve the issue. By following these steps, the exclamation mark on your Android Wi-Fi should be fixed.